Hello and welcome back to Birmingham News. Music festivals are a growing industry, but have you ever wondered what happens to all the waste after a festival? Well, a local Birmingham steel making business has been part of the clear up. APS Metal Pressings are based in Hockley and they produce reusable steel cups. Made in Birmingham went along to find out more about their success.
The aim really was to try and have a pilot scheme at Glastonbury for June 15, but we missed that. The tooling project took a little bit longer than we anticipated. We did have a very small trial at the Pilton Party in 2015, which is another Glastonbury festival, very small one, and we trialled 5,000 cups at that event. But really the key milestone for us was in the festival 2016, and they had 150,000 cups there, which the plan was to reuse them, so people paid a deposit and then handed the cup back and got their money back. And obviously they've used the cups again this year, and we're waiting for this year's feedback. I think the problem with certainly the paper cups is they're one use. You know, people use them and they end up on the floor. Obviously, the beauty of the stainless steel cup is it really should last forever. And if it does get damaged or squashed, put it in the steel scrap bin and it'll get recycled again.
We can make about 500 an hour. I would guess that people like China on a hydraulic press would be making 100 an hour maximum. There's usually 40 tonnes of plastic and paper on the floor at the end of a festival. And I think that covers something like six football pitches. So and it takes them something like 6 weeks to get it all up. When they did the Pilton Festival, they used 5,000 cups and found one cup on the floor afterwards. We've recently linked up with Raw Foundation. Raw Foundation is against the single-use plastic, and also how much plastic is going into our oceans, rivers and oceans. You've got City to Sea as well that we've had sort of a meeting with, and you know, all the plastic going down the rivers is going into the sea, and it's just killing the fish. Hopefully small things like this will help to do the bigger picture. But the tooling is probably 10 stages, 3 metres long, and so it's got 10, it moves the metal 10 places down and produces a cup at the end.